Super quick update on XRP then, daily time frame. But for another daily update, please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment, really helps out the channel. As we can see in this local area, very much just consolidating at this support line that we have been sitting on for such a damn long time now. As you can see, that massive coil of the past 7 years is also coming into play. We are getting towards the end of it now, probably going into 2025 when we'll finally see XRP starting to run up. In my opinion, that SEC case is going to be decided sooner rather than later, probably this year. At the very latest, I would say earliest next year. To be fair, this has been going on literally for 4 years now. Don't you think that's insane? This has been going on for 4 years. Absolutely mad. But basically, in terms of technicals, we are looking extremely good for a breakout soon, going into a bull market as well. You could easily see this breaking above these fib levels and all these resistances. I do think we're going to liquidate a lot of shorts on the way up as well. Overall, we're just waiting for Bitcoin to lead the market up. I do think XRP going to get some relief once that's the case.